Hi everyone, welcome to today's video. I am so excited because we're opening up a new subscription. This is called WEvolve, and I thought I wasn't supposed to get it until April because I just subscribed really recently to actually 2 of their boxes. So I'm not sure what one this is. On the email I got when it shipped, it looked like it was both, but it said it wasn't supposed to come till April, but I'm guessing I got the March, but I will link them down below. I don't know much about them yet, but I watched Jessie Miller's unboxing here on YouTube, unboxes at least once. I will link her channel down below. You should check it out if you like unboxings for sure. Thank you, Jessie, for making me aware of this box. So I did peek really quick, but I only saw what's on the very top of the box. It was just paper, but I got so excited, did my little squeal, and I was like, I need to guard the camera because it says live plants on here. I was gonna open it up and get the plant out. I'm so excited about that. I was just saying the other day how I just love my plants so much and I want all the plants in the world. I will never say no to more plants like this. Anyways, I am super excited. So this is a spiritual subscription box. Every other month you get a different one. It's either the esoteric box every other month, or it's, I don't remember the name of it, but the other one you get, it's like spiritual book and some other goodies. It's like right up my alley. I love reading books. Actually, I've been reading like a book every few days. And I just finished one last night, so I'm kind of hoping both of them are in this box, but I'm not sure. I just know that the theme must have to do with manifestation because when I opened it up, all I saw was this piece of paper here that said, I am a magnet for wealth and abundance, and I think, yeah, oh yeah, the esoteric money magic box. I'm so excited. I have been saying I'm a magnet for money like every day because I'm trying to increase my financial situation, you know. Most people are, right? I mean, maybe not everyone now because maybe they've got this down, but I'm working on it. So I'm so excited, you guys. But before we get started, just really quick, welcome back. If you guys are new here, my name is Kitty. I love subscription boxes, especially like spiritual ones like this, even though I don't know what else is in this besides that I'm a magnet for money thing. It's really my jam. I have another channel too called Kitty Outside the Box where I do like spiritual content, specifically like tarot readings. So if you like that, I will link it down below. But yeah, if you like unboxings, I hope you consider subscribing before you go. If you are new, and everyone that's been around, thank you, love you. Let's get started, you guys. So I love that even the little squiggly things, sorry, I don't have my light on because it makes me have headaches lately, but I think you can still tell. Green squigglies, like, I don't know if they're always like that, but I think that's really great for the money one. So I am a magnet for wealth and abundance. I love that this is the information card. I'm going to totally hang this somewhere so I can see it all the time. So the esoteric money magic. I am so excited. The esoteric box theme is money magic. This box was curated to aid you in generating more wealth and abundance, as well as create lasting change and greater alignment within your human experience. This box will give you tools to set up a wealth altar, engage in powerful manifestation practices, and learn some basics within the art of wealth-based feng shui for greater energy flow and wealth generation. I've been working on feng shui. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Look how many things are in here. Oh my gosh. I can't remember the price of each of the boxes individually, but I know when I subscribed to both at the same time, like I think one's $40, one's like $30 or something like that. Again, I'm going to link them down below so you can see, but oh my god, there's so much that comes in this. And then what is this? Oh wow, there's a channeled message. The following is a channeled message for our community from the angelic realm. This is really, look how amazing, this is so cool. Let's read like the first line. This is a lot to read and it's in such little print. The resistance to having is the feeling of not having. Abundance, wealth, and love are energies, and this energy is already circulating in your field. Your job is to release the feeling of not having so you can bring this abundance into your physical experience. Oh my god, I love this. This is like how I'm trying to talk to myself. The physical world, okay, I'm so excited. I love that they do that, channel messages. That's so cool. And this, I'm so excited. I kind of saw this before when I first glimpsed in. There's checks here. A lot of people who, like YouTube channels I watch about law of attraction talk about this. Oh my god, Bank of the Universe, 5555, Power of Belief Avenue, Mother Earth Universe, 1111. I love this. So you like write yourself checks. This is so cool. I've been wanting to do that, but I don't even like really have a checkbook, you know, but they said you could just use one of your own. But when I was watching videos in the past. So what's this? Additional helpful information. And oh my god, this is so, I love that they give all this stuff. And then they give you some affirmations and writing prompts for wealth. There's so many too. Oh my god, they're the feng shui thing. This is what I used for my place. Oh my god, finding the wealth area. Mine's over there. It's like the northeast, whatever. You have to look where your main entrance is. I seriously have this map and I like put it on my floor plan. This is so cool. I have my little money tree over there and plan. Oh, purple, green. This is so cool that they have this in here because this is like literally what I'm into. Like now, right now. This is perfect. I'm so excited that I got this box. Yay! Oh, and then they have some links here on YouTube. One is Abram Hicks. When you get this, money will start flowing like crazy. Oh my! I'm so excited. There's so many writing prompts. Actually, I didn't even see that at the back of this. There's a bunch of affirmations, a bunch of writing prompts for your journal, additional helpful information. Then you have the freaking feng shui chart. So helpful. Oh my gosh. And there's even more here. Oops, a little green thing flew. Oh, there's more. There's even more of these affirmations and writing prompts. Oh my god, this is like so awesome. I want to read them all right now to you, but this video will be a million years long. So here we have like a little red envelope. And what is this? These little coins. Let's read what this is about. Red envelope. For this feng shui money cure, you will place 8 coins of the highest denomination in your currency. So that would be dollar coins. Oh, I don't know if I have any on. Are these some? I'll have to find some. I have some quarters probably. Inside your red envelope, then place the envelope under your front door's doormat, and as you place your envelope, think about receiving your target amount of money. I said tarot because I'm so useless. And then this is the Chai Trinity Good Fortune coins. This feng shui cure consists of 3 coins tied with red string. The Trinity symbolizes blessings or luck for heaven, earth, and people, while the red cord activates the Chai Trinity according to feng shui. Display in the wealth area to multiply the good energy there and attract prosperity to your home or business. I'm loving this so much, guys. Now I'm like all concerned. I'm like, I don't have any dollar coins. I'm gonna have to where do you get them? Wasn't there a big coin shortage one? I don't know. But anyway, let's move on to the next. Is this the plant? Is it bamboo? Oh, hi, baby. Oh, my God. I love it. Look at. You're looking so healthy for your travels here. Oh, my goodness. I love you. Guys, I'm so happy. Lucky bamboo plant from Louisville, Colorado. Trevor Kuntz, owner of Plant and fellow manifester of magic, provided this lovely lucky bamboo for you. Lucky bamboo is a popular plant for wealth altars because it is strong, grows very quickly, and bounces back quickly. It represents upright growth, nobility, and flexibility. It also has a hollow stem, which represents an open, humble heart. 3 stalks bring happiness, long life, and wealth. Oh my God, I love it so much. Hi. I'm going to place it right here. You can kind of still see me. You can chill by me for a minute. Oh my God, you guys, this is the best. I'm so happy right now. I'm so glad I got this box. Now we have by Twin Moon Magic Prosperity. Draw money, prosperity, and abundance. So this is a soy wax and essential oil handcrafted magic candle made with patchouli, tonka, cedarwood, clove, and cinnamon. You guys, I'm so happy right now. I'm filming this on Witchy Wednesday, like right around when my other Witchy Wednesday, it's already pre-filmed, is posting. I don't know if I can wait. Oh, there's a Venturi thing in this. Oh my God, this smells so freaking good. You guys, this is probably not gonna, I don't know if I can wait a whole week to share this with you guys next Wednesday, but, because usually I do these videos every Wednesday, like spiritual, esoteric type boxes. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. Oh. I I love that there's stone in, oh my god, you guys, I'm so happy right now. So happy. Is there anything about this candle? So, Kel, one of our favorite eclectic witches, is back with this amazing prosperity candle for your wealth altar. I love when witches make my candles. You know, that's like extra oomph. You like put your intention in, they did too. Yes. She uses essential oils empowered with money-drawing magic, blended with hand-poured soy wax, topped with botanicals associated with prosperity and green aventurine. Ah, yay! Oh my god, what's this? Surprised Emmy just sleeping peacefully. It's her birthday tomorrow. What is this? What is this? Is this for the plants or is this a little cup? What is this? What is it? Sorry, I'm getting really hyper. Oh, there's stones. Look at it, this little bag of different stones in there. I wonder if this is for the plant. Let's see. I have some here in my lip gloss. Okay. Glass vase with crystals. Yes. I love the shape of this. Yeah. So you put the crystals in there. It looks like there's a sorted mix. I love it. I can see there's some quartz, citrine, tiger's eye. Looks like probably some amethyst too. Oh my god, yes. So we had to give you all the things that you would need for your lucky bamboo in addition to your wealth altar. The crystals provided were selected for water and solubility as well as intention for wealth manifestation. Add bamboo, crystals, and water to your vessel. This creates a balance of water and earth that is considered lucky in feng shui. Yes. Oh my god, my little baby's gonna go in here. What should I name you? I'm so happy. Okay. Oh, yes! Look at this little frog statue! So cute! Oh my god, they're toad. I mean, let's see, what is it? Feng Shui money frog, yes! The feng shui frog needs to be placed on an elevated pedestal off the floor and preferably a low table. This will allow the frog to accumulate a lot of wealth and positive energy that will be directed towards the household. The correct placement for the money frog is near the house entrance or your money altar facing inside rather than outside. Never place a money frog in a kitchen, bedroom, or bathroom as this is bad luck in feng shui. Okay. I'm gonna make a little altar in that corner. I mean, my kitchen's like connected in a one bedroom, you know, but it's not like the kitchen. Okay, I love this so much. I love getting stuff like this. Oh my god, and I love this so much. Okay, obviously. I can just imagine. I think I got really excited in some other box. Was it Annette? Someone's like, oh, do you love it? Or do you love it? I'm like, yes, I love it. Oh, what's this? It looks like an oil. I love how it's gold. See, where is this one? Ooh. Money oil, yeah. They made it, WEvolve Box. This powerful oil was created by the magic creatures here at WEvolve Box using high quality oils, botanicals, and crystals, intention, and prayer. Ooh, did I get everything? Yeah. So light language, energy work, and real money were used too. Oh my god, really cool. So use it to anoint candles, money on your altar, and money in your wallet to keep the cash flowing coming. Each dollar I spend comes back to me multiplied by 3. Blessings. Cool. So what is it? This must go on top or something? I don't know. I think this was stuck in. But here's the oil. Yay. I love it. Is it a roller? Oh yeah, it's roller. Ooh, I smell orange. Awesome. I'm so excited. And this little, I think this goes on top of it. Okay, there's something else. Oh, here, I was like, how am I going to get this up? Oh my god, is this a journal? I journal so much every day. I go through journals like crazy. Oh my god, that's so cute. Are you serious? Manifestation, mindset, workbook, and planner. Look how pretty this is. Oh my gosh, you guys. I am so excited about this. Oh, is there another little statue I missed? Oh my god, there's another one. And this isn't even the last thing. I thought it was. Okay, let's get this untied, this gold ribbon. I'm totally going to save this to use somehow. Okay, come on. I'll slip it off. I'm so happy right now. Yeah. Yay! Oh my god. So, manifestation mindset workbook and planner. Speak as if it already exists. Act as if it's already yours. Table of contents. Level 10 life year inventory. Create your life vision. Dream list. Affirmations. Gratitude. Daily rituals creator. 1 year goals. 3-month goals. Daily journal and planner. Good vibes only. Oh my gosh. This is. You are made of stardust, creating your life vision. And they give you all these prompts here. Dream list, my evening ritual. Oh, I love it. And they give you ideas too. And then this month's goals, and they give you different like areas for your goals. Oh my God, I'm obsessed. And there's every week there's like journal prompts and goals and today's intentions. Every day, today's affirmations, today I'm grateful for, to-do, notes. Oh my gosh, I love this. And then weekly reflections, monthly inventory. Like, oh my God, this is amazing. You guys, I'm so happy with this. All of this, oh my gosh. So then there was a little Buddha statue, which is, I love it. Oh my God. Is there anything I need to tell you first? Laughing Buddha statue, but let's see, for the, I think, journal, it's a 90-day manifestation journal. So it's made by Samantha. So it says she starts this workbook with a level 10 life inventory, moves into self-reflection and rituals for self-care, and gives plenty of space for weekly planning and intention setting. I am so happy with this. And then here's the Laughing Buddha statue. The Laughing Buddha is considered one of the most auspicious gods of wealth, bringing prosperity, success, and financial gain. One of the most, sorry, I'm so excited. To increase the wealth of the household, place this in the southeast direction, facing inward. Another placement option is opposite of the main entrance, facing the inside of the house. Yay! Oh my God, so I think that's everything. There's so much stuff. We talked about the checks, and then, oh my gosh, yes, that's everything. And then this counts too, you guys. I think this is like the best box of things ever. I love it so much. So this is the esoteric box. I don't know why I thought both were in the shipment, but I don't care. This is perfect. I love this so much. This is exactly what I'm working on personally. So this is just aiding in what I'm doing already, but like times a million. I'm so excited about every single item in this. Thank you, Jessie, for prompting me to get this box. I love it so much. You guys have to let me know what you think. I will link them down below, like I said earlier. And yeah, let me know your thoughts. So it's every other month. I want more. Give me all of the boxes. I love this so much. Yay, so I'm gonna go use all this stuff. I will see you guys tomorrow. And again, if you haven't already subscribed, I hope you consider doing so. And that means I will see you tomorrow. Stay safe, stay healthy. I love you so much. Bye, guys.